Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the auxiliary port, also known as the media hub or USB port. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, how to replace it guys, why it's important to test fuses, and we'll talk how you can replace the auxiliary media hub port if you need to do that as well. All that will be covered today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So most people guys, will go ahead and open the hood because you have a fuse box there. It will be about the same on V6 and V8 engines, doesn't matter which engine you have, but most people will automatically try to check that fuse box here. But unfortunately that fuse is not located there. The fuse is in a different place. So let me show you where that auxiliary port media hub is located. Car was in a little bit of an accident, we'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ guys, we drove it a couple of days ago. We're talking about the auxiliary USB port right here, you can see all that stuff. So now where is that fuse and how to find it? You're going to come out and you need to go to the trunk. Go to the trunk, open the trunk now, right there, and it just opens like that. Here now we're going to come guys, and under the cover where your spare tire and car battery is located, you have a fuse box. We're going to press here and open that cover. Now that cover, when you remove it, you access fuses, relays that are for the body control practically guys, for the BCM, body control module. And here what do we need to check? First, let's talk why it's super important to test fuses, because sometimes you cannot clearly see that you have a bad fuse, and in that case if you put it back in and it's bad, you will waste time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, and all we had to do is actually replace the fuse. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. Check it out. Another thing, where is that fuse now? The fuse is guys known as fuse number F38. So if you come right here, it will be the first 20 amp fuse right here. This fuse will be the one right here. So you grab it with the fuse puller and you're just going to grab and pull it out, like that, and get it out. Now when you're ready to push it back in, you just get the replacement one and you put it back in. Now your auxiliary port, media hub should work. If it doesn't guys, we'll have a special video that will talk how to replace auxiliary port media hub on Dodge Challenger on our channel step by step. It will teach you how to do that because if you don't do it the right way, you can damage the center console. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.